Today we're going to do a little video about roller frames. Now I use the metal roller frames, Indian I think they call them, something like that. And what happens is they wear out the end. Here's one here, looks fine. And when we take the top off it, it's got a couple little parts in there. Look at that. That's why we have a flat spot when we roll. What we do, take one of these, take a little bit larger washer, put that on there, put this one on there, get a smaller washer, and just do that up. And what that does is one that's already been done, one that I prepared earlier. It holds it away from the frame. Plenty of movement there. So we just got to do that up really tight, that one there with the shifter. Here's a couple that I've already done. Because we use them so much we wear them out. You can put a drop of oil in there if you wanted to, but you really don't have to. Easy to spin, and there's no dragging. Now this one here, it's only a new one, but if you see there, this is nearly new, so the actual fitting in here is really good still. You see that's just touching there, which can cause a little bit of a drag. That's one you buy at the shop. This is what happens after probably 6 months, 3 months of work. There's another one that's not quite as bad, still has a flat spot. So now we'll look at these ones here, the one that I've just fixed. It's sitting away from it no matter how much weight I put on it. But this one here, the one from the shop, is already touching, brand new. So what we do, we just get a bit of copper pipe, we use a cutter, and it's around about 22 millimeters long, and just took it out. It's good as gold.